Check it out. My extra sockets organized instead of all stuffed in the drawers. I made a magnet rack. This is all metric. A couple of extra wrenches or ratchets and extensions. I just took me a 2-inch piece of wood, cut a hole in it. Easy. Bought this from Harbor Freight. It's a wrench holder, but it holds the extensions pretty good. Now this is my what I got my extra sockets on, and you can see the bottom is kicked out a little bit, and the top. Actually, that's 2 pieces, same size as that one. And this is, you can see that it's an 18 degree. Overall, it's 18 degree down on each one, roughly 18. But you could see that it's kind of mimicking that. But yeah, I just cut me some small pieces like this. I cut them in half. You can see it's the degree it is. Let's see if I can do this right. But if you put that right there and run a straight edge, it comes to about 18 degrees. If I'm doing it right. I know it says 75 up there, but from that corner down, it's about 18. It kicks the sockets out just enough. See that one there? I could have gone higher on this rail since these sockets are so tall. I didn't get a good measurement, just like that top one. And then I just cut these little things out, screwed them in, glued them. And these are magnets from Harbor Freight. But I think it looks pretty decent. At least they're easy to get to versus looking down. I could tell what size they are, but I like looking at them like this. Well, you can make this any length you want, any tall. These are 1/2 inch. So see that 18 degrees. This row was all the way to the end out this way, and that one's a little bit in to give me more room right here. See, I could have pushed this one back and then this one further back. I don't have much room at the top, but it's workable. See, like this one here, to give this room, I pushed these back further, and this row all the way to the back. Then I was able to mount all the sockets. And this is my wall-mounted wrenches. That's easy, just get the holders and screw them to the wall. And this is my work box. It's all cut out foam. And these are all the sockets, wrenches. Yeah, thought I'd share it. I think it's pretty cool. Seen this on YouTube, a couple different people doing it. similar to this, but I don't have a bandsaw. I actually use this to cut them pieces from 1x2 from Home Depot.